This is a 2011 Ford Edge, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, halogen headlights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.